Now that we have the deposit token and the withdraw token functions, and we know that we can get some tokens in and out again, let's have a look how we can get some actual ethers into our exchange. And I've already prepared a function for that, and I will go with you through the function step by step. The function is actually very straightforward, and if you have a look at the index.html site where we have the deposit ether form, we can get the input field with the ID input amount deposit ether. We can get that value and basically call on our exchange contract the function deposit ether. And this is the only function that is payable. And this keyword means that we can transfer some actual funds, not only data, but also funds to this function, and it will not throw an error. And the function basically takes the value that is sent along and adds it to our addresses balance, and then it emits an event. And that's all we have to do, right? We have to send some value along, and this will make a pop-up and will transfer some actual funds from our account to the exchange. And then we refresh the balance and we set the amount deposit ether empty again. Now let's have a look if this is working. And when I save it, I still have my Webpack dev server running in the background. And as soon as I save it, it makes a hot reload of the site. And I can just, let's say I deposit 10 ether. It pops up and it tells me the amount is 10 ether. And let me close this again, because I want to show you what's going to happen if I do not do that, if I do it with tokens. Is this a bug in? Oh yeah. So I have 3 pending transactions here, and I have my second transaction here is from the deposit token, and the amount is 0. So I'm actually just transferring data. But for the first transaction, deposit ether, I transfer some actual amount, 10 ether, which is right now around $3,000. Now let's have a look if this is working. We transferred 10 ether and we have 10 ether in the exchange. Now, obviously, we also want to withdraw ethers again. And this is where you come into this game now. And the next assignment is to implement the withdraw ether function in JavaScript.